Want to see our clients at Little Bird? They have awesome pastry shop. Is that what I'm going to say?
Yeah, you're doing it right now.
Okay. Am I? Oh, okay. All right. Buckle your seatbelts. Hey guys, we are just leaving the showroom, BSF headquarters, and we are cruising around to check out Little Bird, our clients at Little Bird. For those of you that have never been there, they have some pretty awesome pastries, sandwiches, and that's all I'm going to fill you in for, I guess. We're going to be there sooner than later. These are fairly new clients of ours. They've been around the city for quite a while, but they're looking to replace a couple of their coolers they have there with a big walk-in to better utilize their space. So we're going to take a cruise over there and maybe try out some of their desserts. We're a small business, and we obviously love other small businesses, working with them, helping them find their equipment. So we're going to be focusing a bit more on doing these, I don't know, just checking out people's locations, going by for a visit, seeing how they're liking the equipment they got from us, seeing if they need any equipment. We really like to shine a light and promote these businesses as best as we can on our Facebook page. Get this Kim around. Okay, sounds good, thanks. Constantine. We're here with Kim we're here at Little Bird, and she's going to be nice enough to hopefully give us a little tour of her place, see what she's got going on, maybe try some of her goodies, and yeah, so here we go.
All right. Come into our kitchen. It's in the middle of the day here, Friday afternoon, so everybody's kind of busy. We've had some people go home already. But Justine's here making, I'm not sure what, but something in the mixer.
Something with no calories.
Something with zero.
Yeah, right, eh?
Yeah, so we have these 3 benches. This is basically our pastry side of things here. And then back here we have our savory kitchen. And you can see all of the fridges and freezers that we have. Constantine is helping us manage this problem.
It's bigger space than I thought back here, yeah.
Yeah, it is quite big. So we're going to put the freezer in here, the walk-in. We're going to get rid of a bunch of this stuff because our office here is no longer an office also. It's kind of a sort of walk-in back there as well.
Yeah, no doubt.
Yeah. We were on the Baker Sisters.
Oh, right on.
So they came here, they shut us down for 2 days, filmed for 12 hours straight each day. And they made cruffins with us. They made our chocolate birch cake, which we're sold out of. And what was the other thing? Oh, I can't remember. It was a long time ago.
Cool.
Yeah, so we've had people come in they're from England, and they're like, we saw you on TV in England, and we were coming here.
That is awesome.
They knew they had to stop in at Little Bird and try some stuff. So I'm giving you more than what you ordered.
Oh, you're awesome. That's more exciting than me. I had a guy from Oakland, California, message me the other day saying that he has some equipment he wants me to sell. Yeah, and I was like, well, I wish I could just jump on a plane, but what exactly do you guys specialize in here? Like, what is your namesake product?
So patisserie means pastry shop, basically. So we do a lot of pastries, French style pastries, things like croissants, I don't know, brownies, shortbread, morning buns, loaves, French macaron,
I'm
tarts.
a sucker for the macarons. They're really good.
We can't keep them in stock.
Yes.
Yeah, they're tough. But any kind of dessert, we have a really wicked lunch menu. A lot of people think that we're just desserts, but our lunch menu is really, really good too.
Are you guys open in the evenings?
Not right now.
No.
We are kicking around the idea of doing that in the new year, but we haven't made that decision final yet. So.
Right on.
Yeah, right now, 7 days a week, 10 to 5.
What's the one piece of equipment that you guys can't operate without?
An oven.
Yeah, I guess.
And actually, when we opened, we were like bare bones capital-wise. So we had to make the choice between an espresso machine and an oven.
And the oven won the battle?
Of course, because
Yeah,
how do you
for
run
sure.
a bakery without an oven?
That's before you met me, you know?
Yeah,
I just would have
exactly.
given you both to help you out
It
for a
probably
while.
would have been better if we had known you five or 6 years
Sorry,
ago.
I wasn't around. I was doing other things, so. How long have you guys, what year did you open? How long have you been
We
out?
opened in December 2013, so it's coming up to 6 full years. And we're in the Edelman building on the corner of 20th and B, so the old historic part of the city. It's nice to be in an old building. There's always lots of spooky experiences, particularly in the basement, and lots of people coming in saying they remember shopping here with their parents when they were young, and it's nice to have that history kind of within the space that we occupy.
Any expansion franchises in the future?
Can I swear? One location is hard enough.
Well, I know a guy that can hook you up with the equipment if you need it, so.
Right on.
Yeah, for sure. Obviously, it's a big landmark for any business to make it past the 5-year point. So what would you say keeps you going on the day-to-day to grow your business, I guess, and to continue doing what you're doing?
I think honestly, we have no interest in closing our doors when we still owe a bunch of money. So we work towards that.
Honesty is the best, eh?
But no, it's like we really love what we do, and we have a really great staff. So we come into work every day to a happy place to work, and you know, our goals are kind of never really solid. They're always kind of fluctuating to what we think is right in the moment, and we just come in, we work hard, and we have fun. That's it.
So you guys do Christmas parties and that? We have Christmas coming up upon us.
We have a couple booked. We don't do a lot of them because we do have a small kitchen and a small staff. So we do them if they come to us, if we can accomplish what they want, because we don't have a full line in our kitchen. So we're really set up as a bakery, so that limits us as to what we can actually cook for people.
You guys cater?
We do catering. Give us a call for lunches and afternoon snacks and whatnot. And if you need something custom, we can definitely work on that too.
Right on.
Yeah.
Cool. Any last words, I guess?
You guys should spend some money here, hey?
Yeah, we're gonna
eat
spend some
food.
money here for sure. Put on some weight, calories, back at the gym tomorrow. So that's it. Right on, over and out. All right, we definitely have to spend some money here. So we're gonna try one of each of these awesome macarons. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly. Macaron, look at that. I got an A+ for pronunciation today. We're gonna have one of these salted caramel bars. And we're gonna need like 6 hours at the gym for the next month. And then one of those croissants. And whatever the heck Chuck's having, I gotta keep my marketing guy happy. So that was pretty cool there. Walked in, went over a few things business related, got some lots of desserts, not like I need them or anything, but yeah, gonna sample some of these out as soon as I get in the vehicle. Don't tell anyone. Zero calories. Something that you have to try at least one of every type in order to get the full effect, to really appreciate them.